In a world obsessed with data, organizations often focus only on measurable impacts, while ignoring talent retention, leadership development, scaling up, and resource allocation.
Seeing a trend of various forces coming together, which are making working in the sector very, very challenging. Typically, an organization takes on a mandate that's much larger than what it can do out of well-meaning intentions of doing good for the world. Together, all these forces mean that there is immense amount of workload and there's a burnout at every level. The result of this at the end of it is loss of talent, loss of impact, and generally a sense of despair, helplessness, and a feeling that this sector and this work is not amounting to anything much. We want to change this feeling of despair.
Short-term solutions are not sustainable enough to address these challenges.
हमारी DLDC की जर्नी कुछ इस तरीके से रही है कि हमें ये रियलाइज हो रहा था कि हम एक फाउंडेशनल फेज है ये, और इसमें जो लोग जुड़ते हैं संस्था से वो बहुत ज़्यादा कल्चर और आगे की पूरी जर्नी इम्पैक्ट करते हैं, तो उनका विजन के साथ कनेक्शन बहुत ज़रूरी है जो हमें दिख नहीं रहा था।
इस जर्नी के दौरान हमने देखा कि कैसे लोगों को विजन से और वैल्यूज से कनेक्ट किया जा सकता है, क्योंकि वो डे टू डे काम में तो काफ़ी अच्छे हैं लेकिन लॉन्ग टर्म में वो तभी सस्टेन कर पाएंगे जब वो वैल्यूज से और विजन से कनेक्टेड होंगे।
The key is an organization-wide transformation to develop leaders and design culture.
जो नेक्स्ट जेन लीडर्स हैं, मतलब जो टीम है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा मोटिवेटेड होनी चाहिए और वो कहीं ना कहीं हमारे साथ नहीं थी। तो इसमें सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत यही हो रही थी कि हम अपने ऑपरेशंस को भी ढंग से मैनेज नहीं कर पा रहे थे। तभी मैंने DLDC के प्रोग्राम के बारे में मुझे जानकारी मिली और मैंने इसको ज्वाइन किया।
Wisdom Tree's flagship DLDC program is designed to create a transformative cultural shift in organizations to maximize functionality and thrive in the dynamic social sector. The program is an immersive 9-month journey derived from extensive research in organizational behavior and leadership development. The aim is for organizations to identify a culture aligned with their organizational vision, create and sustain a dedicated system to gain knowledge, and build capacity to overcome internal growth challenges while adapting to changing external environments.
The Wisdom Tree team is a team of facilitators and practitioners who've been in the NGO sector. We have our own NGOs where we work. We face these challenges ourselves. The role Wisdom Tree plays in bringing the DLDC cohort to participants is, one is, yes, we are your friends to listen to it, but at the same time, we have experiences and expertise of having seen this work in multiple organizations. We see how organizations grow and look at it. So in the cohort-based journey also, we bring in our experience. We hold space in a way that the organizations feel comfortable to look at their deepest challenges. We also create cross-learning spaces across the cohort members for learning from each other's experiences and context.
The pilot cohort of DLDC culminated in May 2023 and was insightful for both the organizers and the participants.
So DLDC is a program that's designed for concrete results in the organization. The participants that come into the program are expected to not only learn theoretical tools but actually go and apply in the organization. In the field of learning, we use this principle of 70-20-10, where 70% of what the learning happens through actual application. So that is where the core of DLDC lies, which is we encourage participants, whatever they learn, to do it on an actual life project and make change happen in the organization. So in the 9-month journey, actually the participants are learning by making changes in the organization towards real problems that the organization is facing.
DLDC जर्नी में मुझे एज अ लीडर के नए नए पर्सपेक्टिव सीखने को मिले। एज अ लीडर हमको इस फेलियर को भी एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए और आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। ये मेरी सबसे बड़ी लर्निंग यहाँ पे हुई है।
ये प्रोग्राम एक बहुत इफेक्टिव टूल है। हम लोग शायद स्किलिंग मोड पे हो या पहले से हमारा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बड़ा हुआ हो, लेकिन अगर हम कल्चर और वैल्यूज इन दोनों के ऊपर काम करना चाहते हैं तो हम लोगों ने एक पक्का प्रोग्राम के थ्रू कल्चर और वैल्यूज डेवलप करने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए।
Now our team is aligned with organization's vision.
और इससे क्या हो रहा है कि हमारे ग्राउंड की जो टीम है वहाँ पर फंक्शनल लीडर्स तैयार हो रहे हैं.
Having a culture lens has vastly improved our relationships both within and outside the organization.
क्योंकि डीएलडीसी ये इस तरीके से हमें सोच विचार रखता है, हमें ये बताने का प्रयास करता है कि आपको खुद में क्या बदलाव लाना है और कलेक्टिवली क्या बदलाव लाना है. जो कलेक्टिवली बदलाव और इंडिविजुअल बदलाव आएगा तो डेफिनेटली एनजीओ में बदलाव आएगा, और जो हम लोग सोशल चेंज जो देखना चाहेंगे तो डेफिनेटली देखने के लिए मिल जाएगा.
What I learned is the change starts from me. If I want everybody else to be happy, I have to be happy for that.
They are not teaching you how to be a leader. Whatever is inbuilt in you, they are trying to get it out and then bring out that commitment by yourself.
DLDC has groomed me as a democratic leader, which directly impacted my organization and created sense of ownership in my team.
We are now more intentional in co-creating and co-designing our culture.
Registrations for the next cohort are open.